Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Sorry, that's the washer and dryer. So I am supposed to post today. I don't have anything to post, so I'm just gonna vlog today and see what happens. We are gonna go to a coffee shop. I like their bagels, and I'm gonna get myself an iced coffee, and then we are gonna go to Costco. We're just gonna browse around. So this is my OOTD. Excuse, my bed is not made. Socks from Andrew, shorts from Fabletics, and then sweater from Dollhouse LA. Let's go ahead and get some breakfast. I ended up getting a bagel sandwich. Andrew got the same thing. This is how big it is. It's so good. The bread is really good. And then to drink, I got an iced cappuccino with oat milk. I think that's gonna have to do. I've never had, before I went there, I've never had bagels, like breakfast bagels that have egg and, you know, bacon or whatever. I've never had them with cream cheese up to when I went to that place, and it's actually pretty good. Like, I don't know why I thought it was gonna be nasty, but I tried it out because basically all of their bagels come with cream cheese. So it has like, some come with eggs, some don't, some, like, there's like a bunch. But yeah, I would highly recommend them. They're really good, and they are a local business, so if you live in the Santa Cruz area, check them out. I did forget my straw. I usually carry it in my bag, and I have them in this little one, but since I do use them on drinks, I do take them down after because I have to wash them. But thank God that they have bamboo straws, so I don't feel that bad, like guilty, you know. We're pumping gas, and we're actually gonna go to Costco. I want to buy some ribbons, like to put the gifts together, and then I also want to buy a bottle just because it is gonna be my birthday, and I want to try the 1942 bottle. Because why not? You know, I'm not gonna do anything, so might as well just get lit with that bottle. So I usually buy these at Costco. They're really good. I'm used to it. They burn your throat because it's ginger. Okay, so this is basically all we bought. Bought these juices. These are really good. We also bought some almond milk, pancake mix for my sister, some granola for the oatmeal, cream cheese, and then I also bought 2 of these little houses, so maybe in another video, me and Vanessa or me and Andrew or whoever can make it. I actually wanted to go to Costco to buy ribbon for like gifts, but they don't have anything. They really don't have a lot of Christmas stuff anymore. So I went to Safeway because I wanted to make some crunch wraps at home. I've been wanting to make them for a while, but I saw Jacqueline Hill's video recently, and that one just made me want to do it even more. So I bought these tostadas. I'm going to use this taco seasoning. Hopefully it turns out good. And then lettuce. You can buy the pre-shredded lettuce, but I figured why not just buy the whole thing. I bought these tortillas, these, and ground turkey. I kind of get grossed out with certain meats, so that's why I'm doing ground turkey. And then we bought this nacho cheese. We do have sour cream already, and that's all you need. Okay, so I'm gonna start off by chopping up the lettuce. I'm actually gonna do it in like thin pieces, like strips. Not super thin, but maybe like a fry length, width, I mean. So it's basically gonna look a little bit like this. So I am gonna use some onions for the meat. I already had chopped up onions. My mom made some birria, so these are the leftover onions. You can use purple onions or you can use the yellow ones. So there is a washer going in the back. I'm sorry. So I know how to assemble it because I worked at Taco Bell for about a year, but I don't know how to make ground beef. So if you know how to make it and you like your way, go ahead and do it. I'll let you guys know how I end up liking, if I end up liking the one I make. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of oil. Does that seem like a lot of oil? I don't know. Andrew! Is this a lot of oil?
No.
No? Okay. So then you're just gonna add your onions. I have it on medium heat for now. And I'm just gonna cook these until they're basically cooked all the way, until they look transparent. Okay, I think that's good. So I'm gonna add the ground beef, right?
Ground turkey.
Huh?
Ground turkey.
Oh, ground turkey. This looks like mush. I think I want to turn up the heat because this is cooking too slow. And I'm hungry. Okay, and then meanwhile, I am gonna mix the taco seasoning with water because that's what it says. I've never done this, so hopefully it's not too salty. So right now it's still, yeah, like medium rare. So I'm gonna add it so it can really soak in the seasonings and I could finish cooking with the seasonings. The only thing that I'm not gonna add that the Taco Bell one does have is tomatoes. So if you want to add tomatoes, just go ahead and chop them up into cubes like you would for a hot dog and add them after the lettuce. So it says to simmer for 5 minutes. This is looking a little bit scary. It's looking watery. I don't know how you feel about this, but the show must go on. So again, use whatever nacho cheese you like. If I end up liking this one, I'll let you guys know. And just said it's good, so we should be good. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna basically warm it up. So I'm gonna put it in this pan over here. We like nacho cheese. We basically, I'm just gonna use it all. The good thing about making it at home is that you can add as much or as little of, you know, whatever ingredient you want. I love lettuce, so I'm for sure just gonna add extra lettuce. I'm for sure gonna add extra nacho cheese. I'm just gonna leave it. It's been 5 minutes. It's still watery. So the seasoning is actually pretty good. It's not too salty. It's pretty good. So I'm actually happy. Now we're just gonna wait for the nacho cheese to finish warming up. I think you can even put it on the microwave. The sour cream got here, so just go ahead and warm up your tortilla because they are raw. They are not cooked. It doesn't even take that long, honestly. But just make sure to warm them up. And you can do it on one of these. I don't know what they're called, like a skillet, non-stick skillet. Or you can do it like on a comal. You can't even see it, but You can do it on a regular comal if you have one. Okay, so first thing you do is you are gonna add, you can either do the meat first or the nacho cheese first. But let's go ahead and do the nacho cheese first. And again, as much or as less as you want. This is yours. So, okay, that's good. So just make sure to strain as much juice from your meat. And I think that's enough. I think that's good enough. Get whatever tostadas you want. I'm using these today, La Rosa. You add it. That's next. At Taco Bell, they usually have like a gun that squirts out the sour cream, like that. Then we're gonna do our lettuce. And then you place your smaller tortilla. This is basically the most important part because if you don't get this right, you're gonna have a mess. Okay, so you put your tortilla and basically you're gonna go until the edge of the tostada. So you go like this, then you do the next one, then you do the next one. Okay, then you do the next one. Try to pull it, but don't break it because you don't want to break it. Oh my gosh. And then the last one, the last piece is going to be like this. And then you just bring it in. So it's going to look a little bit like this, a little wonky. So at Taco Bell, they have like a planchadora is basically what it is. Like a flat iron for the food. They would put it on this hot thing and then just press the other hot part on top. So it would be cooking both sides at the same time. But we obviously don't have that. So we're just going to put it facing down so this can basically seal in. And you just do that. And I've seen some videos, you can add oil. I'm not going to. So you just let that heat up for a while. And that's it. That's how you make it, you guys. You can add, I mean, you can add whatever you want. You can add, I've seen some people add like shredded cheese inside. If you're gonna do that, I would do it with the nacho cheese just so it can melt. You can add jalapenos. I am actually excited because my mom made some oiled chili de árbol. I am so excited. I love that chile. She made it for the birria. I do have a skillet over there ready to go, so I'm just gonna transfer it as safely as I can and just let it finish cooking. Not cooking, but like browning, so I can continue making more over here. But yeah, that's basically how you do them, you guys. It's super easy. I have my crunch wrap right here. I brought the chile. I am in my room. I have so many things to do. So this is how it looks. So excited. I'm so excited. Let me add some chile. Oh my god, so excited. Okay, here it goes. Sorry, that chile is so spicy. Okay, so this is really good. I would definitely do it again. So if you guys want to try it out, you guys saw what I did. It's pretty simple. And yeah, you guys, let me go ahead and eat this, and I'm gonna do some work and I'll meet you. Okay, so I am gonna work out. It is late already, maybe 6:30. I am gonna have one of these. So I really don't want to work out. I would rather fold these clothes and do other things that I need to do, but I was supposed to work out yesterday, and if I don't work out today, it's just gonna keep on going. It's gonna be like a snowball, and I'm not gonna want to work out, and I'm just gonna feel bad about myself, and So if you're watching this and you didn't want to work out today, work out, because believe me, we're gonna feel so much better after. We're gonna be so happy. And if we do it today, then we're most likely gonna do it the day after, and so on and so forth. So cheers, you guys. So I'm not gonna record my workout, but if you guys want me to, I can. But for now, this is already gonna be a long vlog, I already know. Do you guys want to see my OOTD? But I feel chubby. So Fabletics, Nikes. It's really cute from the back, but I really need to work out my back. Okay, let's get this workout. Okay, so I'm done with my workout. I'm gonna make my protein shake. I use this protein. I would say that was my third favorite. I've only tried the vanilla, the strawberry, the chocolate one, and then that one. My favorite one is the strawberry, then it's the chocolate, then it's this one. My least favorite one is the vanilla one. But they came out with the new one, with like, it's like cookie one. I want to try it. So I'm gonna add milk, banana, a scoop of oatmeal. I'm gonna add some peanut butter as well. Maybe this much? And I'm almost done with this one. Oh, you can't even tell. But I ordered some more, but it's been taking a while. They did have a sale for Black Friday, but I guess they had a lot of orders, so it's a little like backed up. But I got it was like a bundle. It was protein, BCAA, and then this one, Hoxie. I think it was like a really good price.
You missed your chance.
Yeah. Start like this.